Hello everyone, this is Teacher Juvie and I will be your guide for today's lesson.
By knowing what is asked. So, ang hinahanap natin is yung the amount of water needed to fill the swimming pool. Then, another is determine the given facts. So, yung mga given sa problem ay yung length, which is 12 meters. The width of the swimming pool is 6 meters and the height is 10 meters. So, proceed na tayo sa second step na planning. So, we have to determine the operation to be used. So, paano natin malalaman yung operation na gagamitin natin? Siyempre, based sa ating formula na gagamitin. So, we will use multiplication. Dahil ang formula natin is volume equals length times width times the height. So, multiplication ang operation na involved. Okay, third step is to solve the problem. So, pakita na natin kung paano natin isa-solve yung problem using the formula. Volume equals length times width times height. Then, we will substitute the given values to the formula. So, V equals 12 meters yung length. Multiply natin sa 6 meters na width and times natin sa 10 meters na height. Then we will get the volume of 720 cubic meters. So don't forget to express your answer in cubic units. So this is now the volume or the amount of water na pwede nating ilagay doon sa swimming pool. And for the last step, which is to check and look back, check and state your final answers. Sa pag-check, pwede nyong balikan yung solution nyo, i-check nyo ulit yung kung tama ba yung pagkakamultiply nyo and kung tama yung inyong operation na ginamit and yung formula, then state your final answer. So the final answer is, you need 720 cubic meters to fill in the swimming pool. Okay, so let's try solving other examples. So, let's solve this problem. Find the volume of the rectangular prism with the length of 8 cm, width 6 cm, and height 7 cm. So, hahanapin lang natin yung volume niya. Okay, so to find the volume, we're going to use the formula V equals L times W times H since rectangular prism yung sinabi dun sa problem. So, substitute natin yung mga given values to the formula, and then we will get the volume of 336 cubic centimeter. So, that is the volume of the given prism, which is 336 cubic centimeters. Okay, so let's have another example. The box has a volume of 80 cubic centimeters. Find the height of the box. So, we are looking for the height. hindi man binanggit dito sa statement yung height ay yung length and width, pero meron naman siyang ginamit na illustration. So, dito sa illustration natin, makikita natin na yung length is 10 centimeters and yung width is 4 centimeters. So, we can solve for the value of height. So, again, using the formula, V equals L times W times H, i-substitute natin yung mga given values sa formula. So, given yung volume na 80 cubic centimeters, given yung length na 10 centimeters, and multiply natin sa width na 4 centimeters to find, or yung unknown naman is yung height. So, ang gagawin natin, i-multiply muna natin yung 10 centimeters sa 4 centimeters. So, we have 40 square centimeters. So, again, unknown yung height, then yung volume is given na 80 cubic centimeters. So, ano ba? Para mahanap natin yung height, anong gagawin natin? So, gagawin lang natin is i-divide natin yung given na volume sa area, sa nakuha nating area na length times width, di ba? So, to find the unknown height. So, 80 centimeter or 80 cubic centimeter, i-divide natin sa 40 square centimeters. So, we will get the height of 2 centimeters. So, yung cubic centimeters dito, babawasan natin ng 2 cubic centimeter, kaya meron pang matitirang centimeter. So, yung 80 naman, i-divide natin sa 40, that is 2, diba? So, the height of the box is 2 centimeters. Okay, next, example number 3. A stock room is 10 meters long, 10 meters wide, and 10 meters high. So, ibig sabihin, same ang kanyang mga sukat, puro 10 meters. How many cubic meters of space is in the stock room? Ibig sabihin, pag pare-pareho or pantay-pantay ang sukat na binigay, that is a cube. So, we are going to use the formula of finding the volume, or the formula in finding the volume of a cube, which is V equals S cube, or pwede rin namang S times S times S. Then, we will substitute the given values to the formula. V equals 10 meters times 10 meters times 10 meters. So, makukuha nating volume is 1,000 cubic meters. So, the answer now is there are 1,000 cubic meters of space in the stock room. Okay, so let's have the fourth example. Find the measure of a side of a cube with volume of 729 cubic centimeters. So, we are looking for the side. So, since given na dito yung volume, hahanapin natin ngayon yung measurement ng isang side. Okay, so using the formula in finding the volume of a cube, so we will use the formula V equals S cube, or V equals S times S times S. Then, substitute natin yung mga given sa ating formula. So, ang given, yung volume, diba, na 729 cubic centimeters. So, ang nawawala ngayon, yung side ng cube na yon. So, ang gagawin natin, kukunin natin yung cube root ng 729. Okay, so paano ba kukunin yung cube root? So, isip ka ng number. Dapat, di ba, pare-pareho yan eh. Pare-pareho. Isa lang yung number na minultiply natin ng 3 beses. So, ang cube root ng 729 ay 9. So, 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 9, that is 729. Therefore, ang measurement ng side ng cube na yon is 9 cm. The measure of a side of a cube is 9 centimeters. Okay, so mag-solve pa tayo ng maraming problems para mahasa yung ating skills in solving word problems, specifically routine and non-routine problems. So let's have the first problem. Alice has a paperweight in the shape of a pyramid. So, pyramid siya ha. Its height is 6 centimeters, length is 5 and 2/10 centimeters, and the width is 4 and 9/10 centimeters. What is its volume? So, hinahanap natin dito yung volume ng pyramid. So, hindi natin na-discuss kung paano ba natin makukuha ang volume ng pyramid. Okay, so ganito ang ating solution. So, ang volume ng pyramid ay equal sa length times width. Ano ba yung length times width? Diba ito yung area. Ang pyramid ay may base. Diba? Rectangular yung base niya. Therefore, makukuha natin yung area niya. Diba? Length times width. Then, meron lang nadagdag na height. So, yung height, i-divide natin siya sa 3. So, the volume or the formula will be V equals length times width times natin sa 1/3 ng height. Okay. So, substitute natin yung mga given values sa ating formula. So, V equals, yung length natin is 5 and 2/10 centimeters multiplied sa 4 and 9/10 centimeters. Then, yung given height is 6 centimeters over 3 or divided by 3. So, pwede na nating i-divide itong 6 by 3, diba? So, the answer is 2 centimeters. Then, i-multiply natin itong 5.2 and 4.9. So, we will get 25 and 4,800 squared centimeters. Then, i-multiply na natin yung 25 and 4,800 square centimeters by 2 centimeters. And the volume of this pyramid is 50 and 9600 cubic centimeters. So, that's how we find the volume of a pyramid. So, again, ang formula lang natin is we will multiply the length by its width and multiply it sa 1/3 ng height. Okay, next. A juice container has a base area of 34 square centimeters and a height of 12 and 2/10 centimeter. What is its volume? So, dito, given yung area, yung base area niya na 34 square centimeters and yung height niya is 12.2 centimeters. So, therefore, masasabi natin na yung container is a rectangular prism. So, we will use the formula V equals L times W times H, or pwede na naman V equals yung base area times natin sa height. So, substitute lang natin, yung base area is 34 square centimeters multiply sa 12 and 2/10 centimeter. So, the volume of this rectangular juice container is 414 and 8/10 cubic centimeters. Okay, next problem. A box is 3.5 decimeter long and 6 decimeter high. Its volume is 210 cubic decimeter. How wide is it? So, ang nawawala dito is yung kanyang width. So, yung box, given na yung kanyang length, tsaka yung height, tsaka yung volume. So, hahanapin natin ngayon ay yung width ng box. So, paano? So, kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina, gagamitin natin syempre yung formula na V equals L times W times H. Then, substitute natin yung mga given values sa formula. So, 210 cubic decimeters, ito yung volume. Then, yung length is 3.5 decimeters times, nawawala yung width, times 6 decimeters. So, i-multiply muna natin yung 3.5 dun sa 6. So, makukuha natin is 21 square decimeters times the unknown value for W, and the volume is 210 cubic decimeters. So, ganun din, i-divide lang din natin yung 210 cubic decimeters sa 21 square decimeters to find the width of the box. So, ang nakuha nating width is 10 decimeter. Okay? Okay, next problem. A rectangular container is 4/10 meter long, 3/10 meter wide and 1 meter high. What is its volume in cubic centimeters? So, ang given na units dito is meters. So, i-convert natin siya sa cubic centimeters. So, ang gagawin natin, multiply muna natin yung mga given values dito sa ating formula. So, isa-substitute muna natin V equals L times W times H. Then, substitute natin, pero in meters muna, okay? So, yung 4/10 meters times 3/10 meters times 1 meter. So, we will get the volume of 12 cubic meters. So, i-express na natin to, i-convert na natin siya into cubic centimeters dahil cubic centimeters ang hinihingi sa problem. So, we need to convert these 1200 cubic meters into cubic centimeters. So, paano? Diniscuss na natin ito on how to convert cubic meters to cubic centimeters. So, from cubic meters, magmo-move tayo ng decimal point ng 2 steps in groups of 3. So, kung meron tayo ditong 12 hundredths, mag-add lang tayo ng 0 para maging 3 na siya. So, 1 step. Then, mag-add tayo ng 3 0 for our second step. Then, lagay na natin yung cubic centimeter na units. So, therefore, the volume of the figure is 120,000 cubic centimeters. So, ganun lang siya. Okay? Okay, next problem. To relieve her stress from work, Tina would always watch the fishes move around her 90 cm wide, 70 cm high, and 45 cm long aquarium. If the aquarium is filled halfway through its height, how much volume of water is in it? So, ang gagawin natin dito, 'di ba? Ang sabi dito ang isa sa mga condition kung lalagyan daw yung aquarium ng tubig na halfway dun sa height ng aquarium which is 70 cm. So, gaano karaming tubig ang ilalagay dun sa aquarium? So, ganito lang ang pagsosolve niyan. So, again, using the formula V equals L times W times H, substitute pa rin natin. Ang mapapalitan lang dito is yung height dahil ang tubig ang hinahanap natin, yung tubig na ilalagay is halfway through the height of the aquarium. Yung height ng aquarium is 70. Therefore, ano ba kalahati ng 70? 35. So, papalitan natin yung height ng 35 centimeters. Pero yung length and width is the same pa rin doon sa aquarium para malaman natin yung amount ng water. So, the volume here is when we multiplied 45 centimeters times 90 centimeters times 35 centimeters. So, the volume now is 141,750 cubic centimeters. Okay, so that is the volume of the water. Okay, for the last problem, a truck container with dimensions 9 feet long, 7 feet wide, and 5 feet high is delivering sand for a sand sculpture competition. How many trips will it take for the truck to deliver 945 cubic feet of sand? So, dito ang hinahanap natin yung ilang trips or ilang balik yung gagawin ng truck para ma-deliver yung 945 cubic feet ng buhangin. So, our solution will be, we will be first find the volume of the container. So, let's find first the volume of the container kasi yun yung maghahakot, diba? Okay, so the volume of the container is applying the formula V equals L times W times H, then substitute the given values to the formula. So, V equals 9 feet times 7 feet times 5 feet. Ito yung dimensions ng container. So, the volume is 315 cubic feet. Then next is, we will divide the volume of the sand, yung volume kanina ng sand na 945 cubic feet, doon sa volume na nakuha natin, sa volume ng container, para malaman natin kung ilang balik ba yung gagawin ng truck para mahakot lahat ng 945 cubic feet na buhangin. So, when we divide these two numbers, i-cancel natin yung cubic feet. So, 945 divided by 315, so the answer is 3. Therefore, it takes 3 trips for the truck to deliver 945 cubic feet of sand.
Thanks for watching this video. Hit like if you learned something from this video and don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Thank you so much.